Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is Cabbage Pakora. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. This is a tasty and easy to make recipe, suitable for vegetarians and even vegans. But I must say it wasn't a favourite of my ex-mother-in-law. She never said, but I guess she liked winged bat and eye of newt instead. Anyway, on with the pakoras. First we shred the cabbage and place in a suitably sized bowl. Follow this with a small red onion cut into half moons. Next we add 1 teaspoon of garam massala, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of ground turmeric and a 1/4 teaspoon of chilli powder, or as much as you like. Follow this with the salt and pepper and the ginger garlic paste. Next you add the juice of 1 lemon, being careful to catch all the pips unlike we did in the chicken pakora recipe. Then it's time to add the gram flour, corn flour and a tablespoon of oil. And when this is done, get in there with your hands and thoroughly combine all the ingredients together. And keep mixing with your hands until the mixture just starts to come together and looks something like this. Then when you're ready to cook, simply heat some oil in a frying pan to a medium to high heat. When the oil is heated, add small amounts of the pakora mixture to the hot oil. And continue to fry off until nice and golden brown, then turn over and do the other side. How hard can that be? Hope you enjoyed this simple and tasty recipe, and if it's your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out. And hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now. Or you could just click one of the end cards coming up and see one of our other videos.